So this is what we have, a cast iron pipe flange, toilet flange that is about 3/4 of an inch above the finished surface. It's not level. If you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. Angle grinder with metal disc, metal cutting disc. Cut these grooves in. Here it is. We'll take our Dremel tool with the metal. Continue all the way around. We'll take this, insert it into here, build up our floor. Then we'll have a flange that's flush with the finished floor. Alright, so now it's time to put some of this quick setting cement under our flange. We'll actually put the screws in while we'll put the cement in, let everything set together. There it is. Let me take that off. And let's start put some of this stuff in. Remember that flange, the new flange goes inside of this pipe. So everything outside is fair game. Alright, let's try. Here it is. It's level this direction. Level this direction. And we're off of the finished floor, maybe about 1/4 of an inch, which is okay. Now, the only thing we have to watch out for is these grooves here that need to be cleared out. That's where the bolts go in to hold the bowl in place. Alright, here we are the next day. And these are holding pretty nice and tight. Time to put the toilet in. Alright, so the toilet is in place. I have toilet papers on the side to check for leaks. And here we go. Good flush. So far so good. So far so good. I would give this one a thumbs up. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification.